Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Binance USDT address. First, log into your Binance account, either through the official website or the mobile application. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section, which you'll typically find in the main menu. From there, select Spot Wallet to view your cryptocurrency holdings. Then, locate USDT, also known as Tether, in your list of available assets. After finding USDT, click on the deposit option associated with it. This is a crucial step. You'll then be prompted to select a network. It's vital to choose the correct network that matches the sending platform, such as ERC20 for Ethereum or TRC20 for Tron. Selecting the wrong network could lead to the permanent loss of your funds, so always double-check this choice. Once you've selected the correct network, your unique USDT deposit address will be displayed. This is the address you'll use to receive your Tether. Carefully copy the entire address to your clipboard. You can usually do this by clicking a copy icon next to the address. For convenience, a QR code is also provided, which you can scan with another wallet application. Now, paste the copied USDT address into the withdrawal or send field of the wallet or exchange from which you are sending funds. Before finalizing, always double-check that both the address and the network are absolutely correct to prevent any errors. Confirm the transaction, and your USDT should arrive shortly. Also, for an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.